So the issue is that squeaking noise manifests itself whenever I walk. As your headphones, you can imagine that having squeaking noise right beside your ear is probably going to be really annoying. The second issue is with how the left ear cup was originally changed. I believe that they soldered something on, but if I were to remove this, if you notice, the left thing just falls right off. This over here is supposed to be cleaned off, and a new pair of these cushion type things are supposed to be applied because the adhesive is a one-time use kind of thing. Without this, this will just fall off when these are removed. On the note of these, actually, they feel really different to the ones that came with my Bose headphones. Even just looking at the perforations on them, the way they bounce light, as well as the overall, they just feel a bit more plasticky. I've given it about a month to fit in and break in, but they still feel and even just look really different to the ones that came with my original headphones. I have no idea why that is. But yeah,